નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Now, to continue our worksheet revision, question number 5, 6 and 7. So in question number 5, in figure, find the value of angle BOC if point A, O and B are collinear. This means we have to find the angle of BOC, BO and C. In these angles we have to find which is the value of this angle. Right? So first of all, see, this one is the one line, it means the total 180 degree, it means the linear pair. In these two lines divided into three parts. Okay? So we have to start the first of all in figure angle AOD plus angle DOC plus angle BOC is equal to 180. AOD, this one is our first, DOC, it means this one is our second, and BOC, this one is our third. The three angles addition is equal to 180. Why? Because this one is the linear pair. Okay? Now angle AOD means x minus 10 plus DOC, the DOC means 4x minus 25 plus BOC means x plus 5 is equal to 180. Okay? Now x plus 4x is means 5x, 5x plus x is means 6x. 6x minus 10 and minus 25 is means minus 35 plus 5 is equal to 180. Now the 6x minus 35 and plus 5, minus plus minus. So 35 minus 5 is means 30 but minus is equal to 180. Now in 30 in this side, so 6x is equal to 180 plus 30. 6x 180 plus 30 it means 210. 210. So x is equal to 210 divided by 6. Now 210 divided by 6. 6 3s are 18. 21 minus 3 is means 3. 21 minus 18 is means 3. 0. 6 5s are 30. It means 210 divided by 6, x is equal to 35. So x value is given. This one is the 35. Now put in this angle. Now put 2 in this angle. So this angle is means angle BOC is equal to x plus 5. Now x value is equal to 35 plus 5. 35 plus 5 is means 40. So angle BOC is equal to 40 degree angle. So understand the first questions clear. Now to our next question is the question number 6. In the adjoining figure L parallel M, find the unknown angle. So this one is our L and this one is our M. It means these two lines are parallel and these lines to intersect at line L and line M. It means transversal line. Okay. So let's start. Here is given a one angle. This one is 40. Find the another. This means unknown angle. Okay. So how to find? So see this one here given a numbers. Here is given a numbers. So I have to take some alphabet क्योंकि हमें subtraction additions करने में कोई दिक्कत ना हो. Right. So this one is suppose here is A, this one is our B and C, D, E, F and G. Right. D, E, F and G. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F and G. This angle is given 40 degree. So 40 and this B it means 3. B it means third angle. It means these angles. So angle B is equal to 40 degree. Why? Because this two is the vertically opposite angle. So write down vertically opposite angle. So this angle is a 40 degree. Same for the E. So angle E is equal to this one is the 40 degree angle. Why? Because this one is the corresponding angle. Corresponding angle. Now what do you mean by corresponding? See here is the given F sign. Starting here, then after this one, it means f sine. F sine, it means this one is the corresponding angle. So two angles we will define. Now we have to find angle C. So we have to find that this is the straight line. This straight line is to divide into two parts. It means linear pair. So angle C plus 40 is equal to 180. Why? Because this one is the linear pair. So angle C is equal to 180 minus 40. So angle C is equal to 140. So angle C is okay. Angle E is okay. Angle B is okay. This means B, C and E, these three. So this is the 140. Then A is equal to, so angle A is equal to also 140. Why? Because vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. Okay. Now A, B and C. A, B and C and E also is completed. Now we have to find the D, G and F. Same. E is equal to, what is the E? E is equal to 40. Then G is equal to 40. Why? Because this 2 is also for the vertically opposite angle. So write down angle E is equal to angle G is equal to 40 degree. Write down vertically opposite angle. So this 2 is the 40 degree. Now we will to find the D. If we will find the D, then F is the same. Why? Because this 2 also for the vertical angle. If you find the D, then there is also for the straight line. This angle we have to find 40 degree. It means angle G plus angle D is equal to 180. Why? Because this one is the linear pair. So angle Z is equal to 40 plus angle D is equal to 180. Now angle D is equal to 180 minus 40. So angle D is equal to 140. Angle D is equal to 140. Then angle F is equal to also for the 140. By because this one is the vertically opposite angle. This one is the vertically opposite angle. Now one angle is given and we have to find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So our all the angles is we will to find in this way. Okay. I have to collect here A, B and C. Right. B it means third angle. It means this one is the angle 3 is equal to 40. E it means fifth angle. It means angle 5 is equal to 40. If you are right this way or if you are right the 1, 2, 3 or 4. Right. Now the last question is the question number 7. Find the value of x in each of the following figure when m parallel given. It means this 2 is the parallel line. Same for these two lines are the parallel. But we have to find the angle of x. This angle is given 100. This angle is also for the given is 100. So dear students, see here. This angle is means 100. So this angle is also for the 100. Why? Because see here the given f sine. See here. This one is the f sine. Here is right. F sine is means corresponding angle. It means we have to take in this name. Suppose here is A. So angle A is equal to 100. Why? Because corresponding angle. Why? Because this 2 is the corresponding angle. Understand? Now we have to find the x. But this one is the straight line. And this straight line is divided to how many parts? The 2 parts. It means angle x plus angle A is equal to 180. Why? Because this one is the linear pair. This one is the linear pair. Angle x is not x as it is. Angle A is equal to 100 and this one is the 180. Now in this side, so angle x is equal to 180 minus x. So angle x is equal to 80 degree. It means this angle is equal to 80 degree. We have to find the value of x and value of x is equal to 80 degree. So understand the question number 5, 6 and 7. Now check your answer in your book. If your answer is wrong, then correct answer you have to write in your books. Okay students?
Thank you for joining us.